How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Now, with the recent pandemic, it's sort of highlighted the importance of good hygiene. I carry my hand sanitizer around with me. There's always one in my pocket or in my bag. And also if I drive, I'd have one in my car at all times. So I can use it if I stop at a service station or something like that. It got me thinking though, whether I could get a gadget in the house as well as my hand sanitizer that I carry around with me, have something at home as well where I can have it there, have a touch-free experience where I don't have to touch it. I place my hands there and my hands are sanitized and off I go. Well, I found one. This is the touch-free sanitizer from INEOS Hygienics, one of the leading producers of hospital-grade hand sanitizer. Let's take a closer look. In the box, you get a user manual which goes into details of how to set it up, cartridge replacement, how to adjust the settings, what the indicator lights mean, down to how to clean it. So do give that a read if you do get one. It's powered by a rechargeable 3100 mAh battery, which is also included in the box. You get a USB-C charging cable, a drip tray sticker, and the home touch-free INEOS Sanitiser Dispenser itself. I also have the 300ml cartridge here, which I'll show you how to install as well. Okay, a closer look at the INEOS Sanitiser Dispenser. You have the battery casing to the left and a spare battery casing to the right. Right in the center is where your sanitizer cartridge would go. The hospital-grade sanitizer is made from high-purity synthetic ethanol that has passed rigorous safety standards and gives you a sanitizer that kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Below that, you have the power button and dispensing volume adjustment button, and then below them you have an indicator light, dispensing outlet, and its tabletop base. The INEOS Sanitiser Dispenser uses hygienic touchless technology, which is precision engineered with a peristaltic pump and RFID technology so that it can accurately and safely deliver custom doses between 0.5ml and 2ml. It uses rechargeable lithium-ion battery so you can easily recharge when the battery runs low. However, you won't need to be constantly recharging the battery as it lasts up to 6 months between charges. The INEOS Sanitiser Dispenser is British designed with Swiss engineered reliability. Every element has been carefully curated with quality embedded, from dedicated reserve slots which hold spare batteries to separate lights that indicate battery life or low cartridge levels. You can tell that a lot of thought have gone into the way it's designed and been put together. INEOS's cartridges last between 2 to 3 months and are filled in the UK. When it does come to replacing them, the cartridges are seamless to change over and hold 300ml of liquid. Overall, the INEOS Sanitiser Dispenser is very easy to install and use. You can even get a wall mount for it too. It can be seamlessly incorporated into your hygiene routine and fits into any household with a variety of colorways available. The INEOS Sanitiser Dispenser targets viruses with confidence, allowing one to feel happy coming in and out of home. It brings world-class safety and professional protection to you and those around your home. The touchless technology paired with its design-conscious aesthetics means it can fit in beautifully among other home appliances that you already have. With its simple cartridge system, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and touchless functionality, it's a simple and effective device, and it's Swiss engineered and British designed. Quality is at the core of the device. So, if you want to find out more or you're thinking of picking one up, there will be links in the description area, so do check that out. But in the meantime, if you have any questions for me, do drop them in the comments below. I do my best to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, share it as well, and hit the bell notification so you'll be one of the first people to know every time there's a new video up on my channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.